Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written as find the static indeterminacy of the given structure. Okay, we need to find here the total static indeterminacy of the structure. So we just name the supports as A, B and C and the remaining joints as D, E, F, G, H and I. Okay. Now we need to calculate here the total static indeterminacy. The total static indeterminacy will be equals to what? It will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy. Okay. Now for the calculation of external static indeterminacy, the formula is R minus S, where R is the number of support reaction. Now due to fixed support at A and B, there will be three reactions, that is one vertical reaction, one horizontal reaction and one moment. Similarly, one vertical reaction, one horizontal reaction and one moment. Now due to hinge support at C, there will only be two reactions, that is vertical reaction and horizontal reaction, because moment equals to 0 at hinge support. Okay. Now the total number of reaction will be equals to what? 3 plus 3, that is 6 plus 2, 8. Now we know that in case of frame, the value of total equilibrium condition will be equals to 3. Now we just put the values here, that is 8 minus 3, it will be equals to what? 5. Okay. Now that will be the external static indeterminacy. Now if we want to calculate the internal static indeterminacy, then the formula is 3E, where C is the number of cut required to open the loop. Here two loops are forming. Now one cut is required here to open the loop and one cut is required here to open the loop. So the total number of cut will be equals to 2. So we just put the value of C here 2 and it will be equals to 6. Okay. Now if we want to calculate total static indeterminacy, then we need to add the external static indeterminacy and internal static indeterminacy, and the value will be equals to 11. Now we will use the direct formula again for the calculation of static indeterminacy. It will be equals to what? 3C minus RR. Okay. Now here the C is the number of cut required to obtain the cantilever structure. So to obtain the cantilever structure, we need to put 4 cuts here, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the total number of cuts required will be 3 into 4. The value of C will be equals to 4. Now we want to calculate the release reaction here. Now for the calculation of release reaction, what will be the value of release reaction? It will be the number of reactions or number of additional reactions required to convert any support into fixed support. Now support A and B are already fixed. To convert the support C, that is hinge support, into fixed support, the release reaction value will be equals to 1, because one additional reaction will be required to convert the hinge support into fixed support. So the value of RR will be equals to 1. Now from this formula, we will get the value of static indeterminacy directly, which will be equals to 11. Now from both the formula, the answers will be equals to, or the answers will be same. Now if you want to use first formula, then you want go for that, and if you want to use the second formula or the direct formula, you will go for this also. Okay, that will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.